Hello, my friend. Welcome to the new 21-day English challenge. I am truly happy you are here. Really, I am excited to start this journey with you because this challenge is different. No hard lessons, no boring rules, no pressure, only simple daily steps that help your English grow fast and naturally. Every day, just one small skill. Tenses, vocabulary, listening, shadowing, confidence, good habits. Everything you need to speak English clearly and feel relaxed. If you follow this challenge for 21 days, something beautiful will happen. You will understand English better. You will speak with more confidence. And English will start to feel easier. Maybe you tried before. Maybe many times. You studied grammar. You watched videos. You started, then stopped. Again and again. Sometimes you feel stuck. You want to speak, but words do not come. You hear fast English, but you do not understand. You see others speak with confidence. And you think, why not me? Will I ever speak English well? My friend, please listen. You are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same. I felt the same. But today, everything changes. Today is the start of your new English journey. Not a big grammar book. Not difficult rules. Only 21 simple days. Small steps, smart steps, real progress. This challenge is not only about English. It is about you, your confidence, your future, your dreams. So take a slow breath and say this softly. For the next 21 days, I will learn. I will grow. I will not give up. If you watch Englishvish often, thank you. You are part of this family. If you are new here, please subscribe. This channel is made for you. Now let me show you what we will learn. Day by day. Day 1. Present tense. This is how you talk about daily life. I wake up at 7. I study English every day. She works in a shop. Also present continuous. I am watching this video. You are learning English now. Your task. Say 5 sentences about your daily life. Day 2. Past tense. This is for yesterday. For memories. I went to the market. I watched a movie. She cooked dinner. Your task. Say 3 sentences about yesterday. Day 3. Future tense. This is for plans and goals. I will study English tonight. I am going to read English books. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. Your task. Say 3 future plans. Day 4. Vocabulary boost. Words give you power. You learn useful words. Improve. Routine. Create. Continue. Confident. Your task. Make 1 easy sentence with each word. Day 5. Think in English. Translation is slow. Thinking in English is fast. Small thoughts only. I am tired. I am hungry. I feel good. No translation. Your task. Think 10 small English thoughts today. Day 6. Stop forgetting words. Use the 5 times rule. New word. Use it 5 times. Example. Improve. I want to improve my English. My English is improving. I will improve every day. Your task. Choose 5 new words. Use each 5 times. Day 7. Listening practice. Better listening. Better speaking. Slow sentences. You are learning. Your English is getting better. Your task. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Day 8. Shadowing practice. Shadowing helps pronunciation and fluency. I wake up early. I drink water. I go to work. Your task. Shadow 20 to 50 sentences. Day 9. Self-introduction. Very important skill. My name is. I am years old. I live in. My goal is to speak English confidently. Your task. Record a 30-second introduction. Day 10. English confidence. Confidence is more important than big grammar. Speak slowly. Use easy words. Do not fear mistakes. Your task. Talk for 1 minute. About any topic. Day 11. Easy idioms. Break the ice. Start a talk. A piece of cake. Very easy. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Day 12. Fast English. Real English is fast. Do not listen to every word. Listen to meaning. Your task. Watch 5 minutes of fast English. Day 13. English habits. Habits build success. Daily listening. Daily reading. Shadowing. Thinking in English. Writing. Speaking. Consistency. Your task. Choose 3 habits. Follow them. Day 14. The 80-20 rule. Focus on useful English. Real sentences. Daily words. Simple grammar. Remove useless study. Day 15. Monologue method. Practice speaking alone. My city. My life. My dreams. Your task. Speak 1 minute. Do not stop. Day 16. Beginner listening. Slow English. I wake up. I wash my face. I go to school. Your task. Listen 10 minutes. Day 17. Medium English. Many people want to improve, but they do not know how. Your task. Listen to medium speed English. Day 18. Advanced English. True confidence is clear thoughts, not perfect grammar. Your task. Listen 5 to 10 minutes. Day 19. In. On. At. In the room. On the table. At 5 o'clock. Your task. Make 6 sentences. Day 20. Chunking method. Chunks help you speak fast. Can I get? I am looking for. I would like to. Your task. Practice all chunks. Day 21. Reverse review. Review all days. From day 20 to day 1. This builds strong memory. Now stop for a moment. You did it. You finished 21 days. You learned tenses, words, listening, speaking, confidence, habits. These small steps will change your English forever. Be proud of yourself. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Thank you for learning with Englishvish. Thank you for believing in simple English. Your future English is waiting. Go get it. Speak with confidence. Speak with heart. Remember, you can change your English 21 days at a time. I will see you next time. Keep learning. Keep growing. You've got this.